How to fix YouTube not working on your Google Chrome browser. So if you're trying to play back a video and it's not working, lagging, or you're just having issues in general, I'm going to show you how we can go and fix all of these issues. So the first step is just to click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side of your browser, and then you need to scroll down and click on settings. In the left hand side, click on privacy and security, and then scroll down and click on delete browsing data. You then need to make sure this option, cookies and other site data, is checked like so, and also cached images and files, make sure this is also checked. Delete browsing data is optional. I'm just going to uncheck this, and then you can click on the drop down next to time range and select all time. Once you've done this, press delete data, and once your data has been deleted, you can check if that solved the issue. If it's still not working, then open up the start menu on your computer and click on settings. From the left hand side, click on time and language and click on date and time. Now just make sure set the time automatically is turned on and enabled. If it's already turned on, you can go in, check this box to disable it, and then you can check this again to re-enable it. Also make sure set the time zone automatically is turned on as well. And once you've done this, you can close out of this window. You can head back over to YouTube and check if that solves the issue. Now, if it's not working, the next solution is to click back on the three vertical dots in your browser, click on extensions and select manage extensions. Now, what you need to do is toggle off all of your Google Chrome extensions. These can sometimes cause compatibility issues with YouTube and basically prevent YouTube from working. So once you've made sure all of your extensions are disabled like this, then you can go refresh the YouTube homepage and you can check to see if you can now play videos. If it's still not working, then we're going to come back over to settings in the top right hand side. You can then click on about Chrome from the bottom left and make sure Google Chrome is fully up to date. So you can see here it's now doing an update, and sometimes this is another reason why you have the issue. You can also click on system from the left hand side, and you can try turning off use graphics acceleration when available. Try turning this off and clicking relaunch. If you have tried all of these steps so far and it's still not working, the final solution is to come over to your settings and click on privacy and security. You can then scroll down and click on site settings. Now scroll down again until you see JavaScript and click on this. Make sure sites can use JavaScript is turned on like so. Once you've done that, you can go in, refresh your Google Chrome browser, and that should have now solved the playback issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.